Hi, I'm Shandra Spear with the Assistive Work Technology Department. Thanks for joining me for some tech tips. If you accepted an invitation to a Teams meeting, it got put in your calendar automatically. So if you know you have a meeting today, but you don't know where to join, your calendar is always the first place you should look. So start by opening up Outlook and going to your calendar. Look at your events for the day, and you should see the meeting in there. Double-click it to open the appointment. Now right here, you can see it says Join Microsoft Teams Meeting. So I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to click Open Microsoft Teams. Now, before you join the meeting, make sure you look to see if your microphone is muted, if that's how you want to begin, and whether or not your camera is off or on, and then click the Join Now button. And now you're in your meeting. I hope this helped. One way that you can find your Teams meeting is to look for the email that you got when you received the invitation. You also can search your email for keywords. So if you know you have a transition meeting today, you might search your email for the keyword transition. So I'm going to show you how to look for a meeting that I have. I'm going to open up my Outlook, and I'm going to search for the keywords test meeting, because I think that's what it was called, in my mailbox. And right here, I see the email I received when I was invited to the meeting. Now I'm going to go to the email and I'm going to click Join Microsoft Teams Meeting. Open Microsoft Teams. And here I am in the meeting. Before you click Join Now, make sure that you check that your microphone is muted and your camera is how you'd like it, and then hit Join Now. And here I am in the meeting. I hope this helped. You can join a Teams meeting directly from the Teams application itself. You don't have to go to your Outlook calendar to find the link because it is linked with the Teams application. So I'm going to start by opening Teams. You can see on the left that there's a tab for calendar. This calendar will mirror your Outlook calendar. And right here is the meeting that I need to join, and there's a button that says Join. So I'm going to click Join. And as always, before you join the meeting, check that your microphone is muted and your camera is set the way you'd like it to be before you hit the Join Now button. And now, here I am in the meeting. I hope this helps.